Friday, then what was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday and tomorrow will be Saturday. If today is Sunday, then yesterday was Saturday and tomorrow will be Monday. If today is Wednesday and yesterday was Tuesday and then tomorrow will be Thursday.
Now you complete this chart. Using this wheel you complete this.
Fill in the blanks yesterday, today and tomorrow. If today is Sunday, then yesterday was Saturday.
Write down.
Then tomorrow will be Monday.